Yes, sir. A3. A3 what? 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. S line. Okay, I see. I see. I see what you're doing, Astuo. Okay. What else? How we open the hood? Like this? Okay. I mean, you can pull it once. Some other car tells you pull it twice. Look at the light. Look at the light on the step board. That's the S line, boy. Okay, I see. I see the grill. I see the grill. I see the 4 rings too. 4 rings. Like a basketball player, man. TFSI. That's the oil stick. Okay, I see. And that's the oil cap. And that should be the filter. Okay, I see. I see. We're gonna remove that oil cap. Okay, we're gonna pull that oil stick. But let's see first. This is a 2019, bro. 2019 with a 2.0 liter engine. Good. You feel me? I'm telling you, 2019. 2019. 2019. We'll remove the oil cap. Okay. And for the oil filter, we're gonna hit it. Not literally hit it, but you know what I'm saying, man. Pull the oil stick, bro. Pull it up. Pull this cover just in case it's kind of tricky to get to the oil filter. Know what I'm saying, because you kind of need a special angle right there to reach the oil filter. You feel me? We're gonna use this socket, a 32 millimeter, 32 millimeter socket. All right, there's a extension right there with a 3/8 ratchet. It's a 3/8 extension, and we're gonna remove the oil filter housing. Okay. Now be careful when you remove this oil filter housing, because you don't want to get the engine, with oil. Know what I'm saying? You have to do it like a pro. Know what I'm saying? You gotta work clean. You gotta be clean. Know what I'm saying? Now this is the filter. Here it is. Neat. Nice. Brand new. Okay, I see you. And that's a gasket for the housing. We're gonna remove the old oil filter. Okay, now we gotta remove the ring from the housing, the oil filter housing. Okay, just like that. Push it down. It clicks and sits there. Don't forget to put the ring. Now we put it back. Tighten it. Now be careful, guys. I know you're strong. Know what I'm saying, but you have to measure your strength sometimes. Know what I'm saying? You don't want to break this housing. I'm saying, so just picture it's a 2019 Quattro. Know what I'm saying? And if you break this, sheesh. Now we're gonna go straight to the oil pan. Okay. The oil drain plug. For that, we're gonna have to remove this cover. Okay? Now those bolts are special. You need a star. Like that. Feel me? You see it? So while I'm removing these bolts, I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope you like the movie. On the other hand, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, just hit the comment box. Any questions, whatever you need to say, whatever you need to ask, I'm saying, just type it, and as soon as I can, I'll reply. Hey, you thought I forgot about that, huh? Hey, that's a T20, okay? T20. 20. Film. Now, what you think about this oil drain plug? It's right there. What you think about this, man? Do you think it's safe? Do you think the engineers did better with this design? I mean, I like the design of the oil pan. I'm saying it's plastic though. Okay, it's plastic. Now this is how we remove the oil drain plug, just like that. For me, I don't know. It looks kind of safe, but I don't know what you think. And tell me what you think in the comment box, okay? I want to know what you think, man. Okay? It's a little bit tricky to pull it out, to remove the oil drain plug, but it's nothing out of this world. Just like that. And that oil is super dirty, right? I don't know. There's something special about this oil pan. And we'll put the oil drain plug back, just like that. Don't forget to snug it with the flat screwdriver, just like that. All right. And you'll feel when it's tight. So don't trip on that. Now, T45 for the oh yeah, because the bolts that hold the engine cover, there's two sizes. Okay, so one is T20 and the other one is T45. And this is how pros, like myself, pour the oil in the engine. You feel me? You don't need a funnel. So we're gonna put a synthetic 5W30. Okay, that's synthetic, alright? Just like that. And you kinda gotta like slang the bottle, the bottle like this, so you don't, pour the oil out of the around the hole. Feel me? And here I go again. Now I'm saying for third time. Now I'm saying that's experience right there. You feel me? And that's light work. You feel me? I do this all the time, bro. This is light. It's light. So we're gonna put like we put like a 6.5 quarts synthetic oil, okay? 5W30, okay? Remember that. Just for you so you can see it. Now I'm saying I'm gonna put the dipstick in and out so you can see. I'm telling you the truth, because it's me, man. You feel me? Now, as you can see, it's all good. Alright? And if you cannot see it, well, just trust me when I'm telling you, man. It is good. Alright? Now we put the dipstick back in the hole. put the engine oil cap back. We tap it just to say, I did good, baby. You're good to go. We close the hood, lights out. Make sure everything is tight. Close it. The grill, check the grill, bro. And now we're gonna reset the oil light. Okay, and for that, we're gonna operate the menu with this knob. Hit the menu button. Okay. Go around with the knob, but we're gonna go to vehicle. Okay. Click it there. It's gonna take you to service and checks. I mean, you gotta look for it. You go vehicle, then click to the left. Lights out like that. So I'll take you to this menu and go to service and checks, which is at the bottom. Okay, you feel me? I just turn the knob so it take you, there. Click it, and then go to service intervals. Okay, and there you're gonna select the reset oil change interval and click it there. It's gonna ask you, do you really want to reset the oil change interval? And you say yes, I want to. Click it and it says the oil change interval has been reset. And that's all you gotta do, baby. Alright. Yeah, 5:11 p.m. Sheesh. Time to go home. And like I said, again, I appreciate your time. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And I hope you like these flicks. If you have any questions, hit the comment box below. You feel me? Any questions, whatever, any concern, just hit the comment box, bro. And don't forget to hit the button, the like button, and the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Destroy it. Okay? And that's all you gotta do, bro. You gotta help me, bro. I'm saying A3 QUATTRO. 2 + 2 QUATTRO. 2019. I mean, fuck you mean. 5:13 already? Oh shit, time to go home, baby.